Hey guys, welcome back to Carolina Calling. I don't know how this is going to go. So, that tree and that tree are going bye bye. The one on the right might go the wrong direction. I don't really care. I'll just pull it out with a tractor or whatever if it does. I'll try and wedge it or not wedge it, get it to fall the way I want to, but I guess the only thing you can see the front of my truck. That's probably the only thing I'm worried about. But right now, it don't have brakes, so am I that worried about it? I figured I'd get out here. It's about 9 o'clock in the morning, and cut these suckers down. The Bradford pears, they're destructive, and they send up a lot of suckers, and it's just they're just really a bad tree, and some of them got thorns on them. I mean, you might have to go to the hospital if you get hit with one of the thorns. So that's what we're doing. I hope my mic's working. It's on, it's clipped on, somewhat safe, but I'm gonna get to it. I had to keep you guys far enough away. I mean, they're kind of tall. I don't know. This one I might want to tie off. We'll see. Oh. Excuse me. So these are, I don't know if you can see me, are little suckers that they put off out of the roots, out of the, and they just keep growing. They don't quit. Oh. Well, it's a little slippery. Okay. Well, I don't know what way I'm going to run. Hopefully, I run away. A little bit further. like to get about 2/3. Yeah, no, 1/3. 1/3 across the trunk. This one's leaning pretty far back too, but I don't know, we'll see. Ain't nothing behind it. So if it falls the wrong way, it falls the wrong way. Okay. We will see. Let's figure out an evacuation plan. Let me come back here and give it a look. Man, it's wet out. Okay. I think that one's gonna fall fine. Oh, garbage man's here. Oh. I'm just hoping to bring it right towards y'all. I hope it don't take out the camera. We'll see. All right, so worst case scenario, if it's going the wrong way, I'm jumping in the ravine. Why? It's low and the tree's not going to hit me. It'll span the ravine or whatever, ditch. Running that way is not the best idea. So, just always, if you're cutting down something, make sure you know where you're going. Oh. Come on. Shit, I'm almost all the way through the tree and it's not even leaning. I think I'm gonna go get my little axe and my sledge and pound it in from this side and see if I can get it to go. It is pretty, man, it's a tough tree. All right, let me go grab them. They're just right down here, as long as I don't slip on the leaves. I didn't think I'd need a wedge, so I didn't bother going to track one down. Kind of thought this would topple over pretty easy. Oh, let's move you, just in case. I don't need to spend more money on a saw. There's not much holding this thing up. But it is definitely going backwards. The reason I can tell is this little hatchet I put in here. The backside down here, the bark has come off the tree. So it tells me it's applying pressure backwards and not forwards. So Wow. A lot more stubborn than I thought it was going to be. Definitely a widowmaker right now. Not even wiggling. All right, he came down the right way. Cool. Y'all get to clean that up. Now we get to work on the next one. I don't know why that one was such a difficult tree, but whatever. They're really big at the base. Like that one's bigger, but they're 12, 14 inches at the base. But then they sprout out like this, and they get such a big crown at a lower spot. So, and there's like, I don't know, 7 more I got to take out. But we'll use whatever we can for firewood, and whatever we can't, we'll put in a burn pit. But it's going to open up this side of the yard a lot. I guess we'll get to this one. I love you, truck, but we'll have to see. This one's a little smaller, but don't take it for granted. Should be pretty close. No? I hear you cracking. All right, it's got to be through now. Just a little bit. Should never stick your fingers down there. You'll get crushed. Wild rose. All right. Let's see if we can get this thing toppled the right way. All right, this rose is pissing me off. We'll see. I'm hopeful. No? Well, crap on a cracker. Oh, I don't even know if I can get this out now. There she goes. Now I can't get out of here. Huh. Oh, it almost took you guys out. Oh. But, I mean, it went the way I hoped. But sometimes, like, don't ever take it for granted. Cutting down a tree is a risky thing, and you should always take caution. You know, plan for the unexpected and know what you're going to do. But now it's cleanup time, which I won't keep you guys around for that. Some of it's going to go to the burn pit, some of it's going to be used for firewood, and we'll get to clean it up. That bundle of trees over there, I don't know what they are. They look like poplar sprouts, honestly, but if they are, I'll just cut them down too. But all the Bradford pears, they're going. Hasta la vista. Hope you guys are enjoying your Friday. A little early for me to be operating a chainsaw, but you know, hey, whatever. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thank you for tuning in.